Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name's Wendy. I'm an independent stamp demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire. Now today I'm doing a demo for a special young lady called Jessica. So what I did the other day, I gave her some stamping things so that she could stamp. So she wanted me to do a video to show her how to do her cards. So, right, okay Jess, you've got this little card, haven't you, darling? That one. And then cut that nice shiny paper, or any of the papers you fancy doing, but you cut it down to 12 centimetres by 8 centimetres, okay? That's 12 centimetres by 8 centimetres. Now then I've got another piece here that's going to go down the middle of the card, and this should be, that's 12 centimetres, and then this one is 5 centimetres, we'll just try it 5. Right, let's get this show on the road. When you're stamping, make sure you, after you put the ink on the stamp, okay, Jess, can you see that, look, that bit there? Gotta wipe that off, otherwise it'll be smudged on your card. I call it the splodge monster's been here. Right, now then, just put this first. You use whatever colours you've got there, Jess, okay? I'm just using pink for this because I think you like pink, don't you? There we go. Clean my stamp off. Now the stamps that you've got like these, Jess, you can clean them with just a bit of hot water. Right. Now then, where is it? Now for the big bumblebee. Dear me, what a tongue twister that is, eh? Now then, best thing for you to do as well, just is after you've finished with one ink, close it up. Otherwise you'll have ink everywhere. And trust me, ask anybody that knows me and they'll say I've usually got splodge monster marks all over everything. First time I've stamped this, so I'm just going to stamp it off to see if it's okay. Yep, that's beautiful. Nice, once again I'm going to clean my block off. And I'm going to do the little bee. No, do it buzzing away, shall we? Bee going there. Here we are, and he's flying off to see your friend. So getting clean the stamp off. Right, now then, and we want to say something there, and I thought it would be nice if we just, oh sorry, I've knocked the doobly, we want it, camera. Right, bank this onto there now, okay? Get it as straight as you can, Jess, okay love? And I'm going to do red. This is going to be red, this is. And there we are, that's better. Tiny thing. And down here, we're just going to put smile. Because you're always smiling, aren't you, Jess? There we go. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to put that to one side. Now this is what I mean by the ink being everywhere, you see. I've got 2 ink pads open and I should never do that. Close them up quick before I get any more ink on me. Right, so that's that one. And now then, we're going to get some glue. I'm sure you've got some glue in the house, have you, Jess? So you don't put too much glue, If you put too much glue, then it squidges out the sides, and it can make your card very bumpy as well if you put too much glue. Because we don't want to put too much glue. Try and figure out which way up you want it. Now what I've done, see that's the biggest bee, and that's going upwards. So we'll make sure that our bees are going upwards more than our. Right. Put it there and there. And oopsie daisy. You're going to try and central it. Put it in the centre of. Just go over a little bit more. Oh, this is the one bit I don't like doing. There we go. Smooth that one down. Yeah. Right, now then, this one now. I'll put glue on this because I don't think I gave you any of the dimensionals. So I'll put glue on here now. And when I'll send you something then. I'll send you something next week so that you can use them on it. Right, well, you can put this smile wherever you want. If you want it to not quite cover, there we are. We're half covering the bee. So that should be all right, shouldn't it? But because that's still wet, Jess, right? What we're going to do, we're going to turn it over and rub it from this side. Because if you rub it from the other side and it's still wet, you'll be covered in ink. Right, just put my glue away. Make sure you put the lid on, because otherwise it'll all I can't speak straight today. It'll all dry out. Now what I'm doing, I'm trying to find something to put on the inside of the cards. That's a nice one. Oh no, I'll use this one. Do you know these are sticking to this plastic? Very, 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 very sticky they are. Yes, well, there we go. Right. And once again, I think we'll use pink. This is got Flirty Flamingo, this is called. I need to stand up a bit now for this one. And this says Bugs and Kisses. There we go. Right. Now you can stamp this wherever you like, at the top or at the bottom, it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do, just for this one, I'm going to stamp it in the middle. There we go. And up again. So there we go, Jess. It's a little card that you can give to your friend. And if you follow me, you should be all right, okay? I don't think I gave you this top measurements, did I? That is, yes, I did. It's 5 centimetres by, this should be 12 as well, by 12 centimetres. So there we go, Jess. I hope you like it, and I look forward to seeing what you've made. See you soon, darling. Bye.